All right, so today we at the house. It's first car, my own personal vehicle. I get to do it at the crib. Finally got a garage. Shout out to it. So we in here in the warmth. Don't mind all the cluster. Still working to get shit organized how we want it to be. So today on our 2002 Pathfinder, we need a alternator. Obviously, got a new battery a couple days ago. It ran basically off the battery, lights flickering. Made it all the way home. As soon as I get home, it die out. I go get a battery, thinking it's the battery because obviously I had to jump it. It was allowing it to run off of the battery, but it wasn't charging it from the alternator. So did a load test on it yesterday because it was dead again, and come out the alternator's not having no output. So about to get ready to tear this down. Look like it may be a little in and out, but I think it dropped from the bottom. I do believe I got to move the power steering pump. It is a tighten loosen what you call that, tensioner, or to make the belt tight and everything, and then like the belt, I down there can pull the belt off of it without having to loosen it up. So the belt is shot. It's a 2002. I mean, this is my shit I get around in. This is what I do work out of. So I've been abusing the shit out of it. Now it's time to give it a little TLC. So I got it in here. I'm about to get ready to get this shit started. Get this alternator off, probably take the fan shroud off, take the upper hose off so I can get down there. I believe you got to remove the power steering pump, and then you just got your alternator bolts, and then your power wire. And then we out. The other one was ordered from O'Reilly, so once I get this out, I'll take it up there so I ain't got to do too much back and forth. And we thugging, so let's get to it. All right, so we got it out. Was it easy? Hell no. Wasn't too bad. So obviously this is on the back of the alternator for its main bolt. power wire, and it's a bracket on the back side of it to hold the power wire and the connector on. The signal wire was bolted on, so it was difficult, low key. Took the fan shroud out, the fan. Some people I did see take this power steering pump out and do something with, and I might have to finesse something, because in order to get this back on for it to bolt, I'm gonna have to try to hold it somehow. I'll probably try to use a magnet and hold it back there, and then hopefully it catch, and then it go from there. But it is out. Yeah, that thing is toast. And main reason why I might have a power steering leak. So as I'm doing all this, I'm gonna look in here and see if I can figure out where it's leaking from, because obviously it's gonna cause me issues for the next one or down the line. So I'm gonna clean that all up and try to figure out where that's coming from. So I'm waiting on parts store to call me and tell me it's came in, it's out. So only thing that we gotta do is just put it back together. Wasn't too bad. But wasn't the quickest and easiest. So yeah, let's get it though. So we'll wait for the next one, get that put back on, and we good. So we wait for now. All right, we back. We got the alternator. Try to clean up the power steering pump. I ain't get too far with it, so we about to go ahead and get the alternator thrown on. My good old blown up LS, got a whole piston missing on the other side, chunks and stuff. You've probably seen the video. But we got our alternator, so let's go ahead and get that put in. Getting everything buttoned up. Hopefully we get that running back smooth, and we're on the road. So we got a couple jobs to do today, so let's get it. All right, so alternator is in. If you do this on the Pathfinder V6 2002, it's like maybe from 90 something to 2000 and something. I'm not a real big Nissan Pathfinder person, but the crush washer or the nut, it has a little angle on it. I had a part of it before, but if you don't angle it the right way, it's gonna make the alternator cock a certain way. So you got to make sure you flip it all the way to the top, and it's in a very tight spot. Like, you got to go behind there. I had to stop it. I had to focus and figure out what was going on. So my hand is back here touching it, and then it's a 14 up here. You got to tighten that. Very difficult, but I can see why people probably took that power steering pump out, because you can see it maybe more, but I wasn't about to do all that. It's already enough going on. So definitely, if you ever have to do that, just be wise that that nut have to be pointing up, because if not, you're gonna be in a sticky situation. You might break it, you might break the alternator, you might snap the tooth on the side of it, but got it on there. So now we about to get the belt on the fan, and then we're gonna start it, make sure everything runs fine, and then we good. Let's go. running. So got exhaust leaks, don't worry about it.